Here in China, you'll find some of the most terrifying earthquakes. Earthquakes are among the most devastating natural phenomena, capable of turning everything into ruins in just a few seconds. Powerful earthquakes often lead to the collapse of buildings, bridges, and infrastructure. The aftermath results in severe losses of homes, property, and even the lives of thousands of people. The frequent occurrence of earthquakes is caused by the sudden movement of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface. When pressure builds up between these plates to a critical point, it releases energy in the form of seismic waves, resulting in powerful ground shaking on the Earth's surface. If you're feeling bored, try experiencing storms with wind power so intense it's alarming. Even a light gust can cause a tree to topple right before your eyes, like this. Oh my God! The storm is growing more intense by the day. The howling winds and the shrieking sounds are enough to send chills down my spine. Then, torrential rain begins pouring down, as if it's trying to drown the entire city in a deluge. Combined with the deafening thunder, which illuminates a corner of the sky, the true power of nature becomes glaringly apparent. When lightning strikes, it not only brings instant destruction, but also instills terror in anyone who witnesses it. The mysterious night sky, adorned with lightning bolts, has never looked more frightening. These deafening thunderstorms are a harbinger of the terrible events about to unfold for this city. A terrifying disaster. After the torrential downpour, the worst is yet to come, the flood disaster. The entire city is submerged in a horrifying floodwater level, with powerful currents invading everywhere, making the scene even more terrifying. Let's look at the skies over the United States. where ominous signs often indicate that something terrible is about to happen. For example, here, the dark, stormy sky accompanied by lightning warns of a catastrophic storm on the horizon. The thunderous roars only highlight the fierce power of nature spiraling out of control. The pitch-black sky, occasionally illuminated by blinding flashes of lightning, amplifies the terrifying force of Mother Nature. Now let's explore the most horrifying snowstorms of all time. Although the situation may seem normal, if it persists, the entire city could be completely buried under snow. When a snowstorm strikes, the scene becomes incredibly bleak and harsh. Strong winds whip up thick layers of snow, turning the environment into a violent and devastating blizzard. Snow falls continuously like crashing waves, covering everything from roads to rooftops, making movement nearly impossible. Normal activities come to a halt, with transportation trapped in the thick snow and surrounding areas becoming remote and isolated. The roads become dangerously slippery, making going outside a battle against nature, submerging everything in frigid, icy snow. In the land of the rising sun, even it cannot escape the fury of a snowstorm. Everything is now covered in a thick, white blanket of snow. The crashing waves combine with the biting cold of the blizzard, creating a terrifying and eerie scene that nature can produce. All right. Let's start with the icebergs that have existed for ages. But now, due to the greenhouse effect and human impact, they have completely collapsed. This scene will show you how human actions have caused some of the most terrifying changes in nature. The massive icebergs, once symbols of endurance and eternity, now melt and crumble, leaving behind a desolate and haunting scene. The once calm sea has turned into a landscape of devastation. Debris from the collapse covers almost the entire surface of the ocean, creating a grim and harsh tableau. The aftermath leaves the sea completely covered by fragments of ice. This results in severe disruptions and significant congestion in maritime traffic. The once peaceful ocean is now just a memory, replaced by a grim and terrifying reality. No exception in southern Iceland, the once beautiful streams have now turned into a scene of severe devastation. The rushing currents carry massive chunks of transparent ice, creating a sight more ferocious than ever before. The scene and sounds are truly breathtaking. Each current carries transparent ice chunks like shards of glass, drifting across the surface of the river and lake. Perhaps a terrifying natural uprising is about to unfold. If you find this moment truly intense, click the subscribe button. Otherwise, hit the like button. Oh my God! The ocean waves rise with a truly chilling intensity. The water now appears as a vast expanse of white, mixed with thick foam stirred up by the powerful waves crashing violently. The scene is both majestic and full of fury. Looking down, it seems everything has been swept away, and this disaster shows no signs of abating. Natural disasters spare no one. And tsunamis are one of the most powerful expressions of nature's wrath. When nature's fury erupts, these colossal waves can bring about some of the most terrifying scenes. Just one wave, towering up to 524 meters, with a speed of 150 km/h, can easily engulf an entire city, turning everything into rubble in the blink of an eye. Next, let's head to Hawaii, a magical land where majestic volcanoes converge and is also renowned as a paradise for tourists with its most unique attractions. The sudden eruption of a volcano is one of the most horrifying natural disasters we can imagine. When a volcano awakens, streams of blood-red lava erupt and toxic gases spread with terrifying speed, incinerating everything in their path. Columns of ash and debris rise, obscuring the sky and making the atmosphere heavy and oppressive, creating an apocalyptic scene. Lava flows, red hot and boiling, erupt violently, spreading intense heat everywhere. The waves of scorching heat and terror engulf everything in their path, incinerating all that they touch. However, nature always knows how to create surprises, from its mesmerizing beauty to its terrifying power. Sometimes, the marvelous creations of nature leave us in awe as we witness its mysterious and astonishing allure. If you like this moment, leave a 1 in the comments.
Wow.
Now, let's explore the most terrifying hailstorms and the severe destruction they cause. The icy hailstones fall as if the apocalypse is near, turning everything they touch into a pile of rubble. You know, hail can turn into a real nightmare, with large ice stones falling from the sky like bombs. When they hit, they not only shatter windows, but also create deep cracks in roofs and on the ground. This chaotic and destructive scene not only causes severe property damage, but also leaves an indelible mark on the memories of those who witness it. Even more terrifying is when hailstorms combine with a fierce storm, bringing along powerful gusts of wind. The icy hailstones, with their weight and hardness, devastate everything in their path, from gardens to cars. Oh my God! Raging torrents surge forward, bringing the most severe devastation to humanity. It seems as if it wants to drown the entire city, leaving behind a horrific scene with severe damage to trees, crops, buildings, property, and even human lives.